All right, you guys, I'm back. I told you guys I was going to work on this hard spot when I get back. Taking all my tools down. I don't think I want to start there. So I'm going to start where the heater is. So I'm going to work from here over to the corner. All right, let's get to it. I don't know if you guys can hear me over the heater. I'm going to let this dry until tomorrow. Then I'll come back and paint the gray paint. All right, the painting's coming along. I have a little bit of a head cold. So we have the most challenging two parts in my shop. The rest is painted. I'm exhausted. I just want to get on with it, put my shop back together. But stay tuned. And I think the next video will be the final conclusion of painting the shop. And you guys can see it all done. Okay, love you guys. Bye.